Turmeric. The wonder of this golden spice has been known for miracle cures from joint pain to cancer, but did you know you can even get eye-opening beauty with turmeric? That's right. Turmeric powder's beauty benefits and uses range from permanently and naturally removing facial hair to safely whitening your teeth and getting beautiful skin and lovely lips. On the other hand, just one of the toxic ingredients in almost all beauty products is plastic microbeads. These tiny bits of plastics are linked to endocrine problems, cancer, diabetes, and even obesity, and continue to accumulate worldwide in both drinking water and the ocean. So if you love your body and the planet, now more than ever it's a great time to make the switch to a stunning beauty that does not destroy. So are you ready for these 7 turmeric powder uses to capture that ravishing beauty? Then, let's get started. 1. Removing facial hair. Do you have a little extra facial hair that makes you say ick, but aren't crazy about traumatizing your body through waxing? Don't worry, just do this. Mix the following ingredients in a clean bowl to form a smooth paste that's sure to stop growth and painlessly take that fuzz away. Get 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. 1. Stir the mixture until you get a smooth paste. If the mixture is runny, add a little more turmeric. 2. Apply the paste on the area with the hair that is to be removed. Make sure to rub the paste on the area in a circular motion for 10 minutes. 3. Allow the paste to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with warm water and enjoy the benefits while you repeat for a week. Remember, both turmeric and salt dissolve hairs by thinning them. And what's great is regular use of turmeric prevents them from coming back. 2. Alleviating nail fungus. Nail fungus can be a big problem, affecting up to 10% of the population. Besides destroying and discoloring your nails, it can cause a bad smell and discomfort. So why not tap into turmeric's antifungal magic and clean up those cuticles safely and effectively? Just prepare some turmeric paste by melting 3 tablespoons of 100% extra virgin organic coconut oil and then mixing it with 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Mix to get a good consistency and then remove it from the heat. Let it sit for a few minutes. Once solidified, apply it on your nails once a day until you get rid of that nastiness completely. Store any remaining paste in a little container so you can have it handy when you need it. Just remember, like with any other use of turmeric, remember it is a natural dye, so it can stain your clothes if you're not careful. 3. Face mask. Why is a turmeric particular face mask so good for you? Doctors tell us its turmeric's anti-inflammatory, cleansing, and healing properties make it great for acne, dark spots, oily skin, and a natural glow that is really irresistible. So to get your skin in that clean glowing state, gather 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon raw honey, and 1 teaspoon full-fat yogurt. First, mix those up in a small bowl. You're going for a paste-like consistency that will stick to your face without dripping. Step 2. Wash and dry your face to remove any makeup or impurities. Step 3. Start to apply that to your skin. Keep in mind that turmeric will turn clothes yellow, so consider putting on an old shirt that you don't mind getting stained during your turmeric spa session. Apply your mask using your fingers or a makeup brush, being careful to avoid the eye area. Allow the mask to sit on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Chill out by catching up on your email and planning the next day, and that soon to be brighter, healthier skin. Rinse off the mask with warm water. You can also use a washcloth, but remember, it will get stained. Speaking of staining, don't be alarmed if your skin is still looking a little yellow after you remove the mask. The turmeric might temporarily stain your skin if you have light skin, but it will go away in a few hours. You can also use a simple cleansing oil to get rid of the yellowish hue. A cool bonus is that not only will your skin get brighter, the anti-aging benefit also prevents wrinkles. 4. Brighten your foundation. Warming up your foundation is great for sunny weather for those who have just a bit of pigment in their skin. Just a touch of turmeric will really make you glow. 5th, did you know turmeric isn't just about putting a little color in, it's also about taking unwanted color out? That's right, it can whiten your teeth. According to the Mayo Clinic, good dental health may help prevent heart problems, pregnancy and birth complications, diabetes, and pneumonia, arthritis, cancer, and immune issues. So whiten your teeth with turmeric and look for plenty of side benefits while avoiding those nasty chemicals in toothpaste, from fluoride to the FDA-banned chemical triclosan. First, mix organic virgin coconut oil and turmeric powder half and half. Brush your teeth with it and leave it on for 3 minutes. Then wash it off, notice an instant brightness in your shining smile. 6. Lip scrub. Did you know turmeric powder can work in more delicate areas too? Using turmeric in your lip scrub really does wonders to exfoliate impurities and provide moisture to your lips so that they stay nourished and plump. And by removing the dead tissues out of the skin of lips, they will feel blushingly soft and smooth. To make this dynamite turmeric lip scrub, put together 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup almond oil, 3 to 4 drops vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoons ground turmeric powder and drops of cinnamon essential oil. Add these into a small mixing bowl and stir well. Use this mixture to scrub all around on your lips for 20 seconds. When finished, rinse the scrub off with warm water and gently pat dry with a towel. You can apply your favorite skin moisturizer to seal in that nice moisture. Transfer the rest to an airtight container and use it up to 1 month. 7. A turmeric eye mask. If you want to finally get rid of those circles under your eyes, this eye mask will save you from the dreaded zombie syndrome. The secret ingredients to lightening, tighten, and smoothing that delicate skin? Pineapple juice and turmeric. Just mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in half a cup of your juice. Once you apply it under eyes, let it rest for half an hour. Then rinse, using an old washcloth to even out tone around the area. Follow up with a non-toxic eye cream. You'll really be surprised by the results when you wipe this healing spice away. And how about a beauty bonus? Take a break with a slimming turmeric latte. This golden elixir so really good in many ways. If you want the ultimate in taste and beauty benefits, just gather some 1, cardamom, 2, ginger, 3, Ceylon cinnamon, 4, cloves and 5, turmeric powder. Heat a cup of milk in a pot, and stir in your powders. Once it boils, just give it a stir, mix all the ingredients and bring to a slow boil. For an extra weight loss punch, add a pinch of black pepper. Pour it into your mug after you strain out any cloves and enjoy. This is really great for tummy aches, detox, and weight loss, so it really beautifies from the inside out and tastes so good. Of course, once people start finding out about all turmeric can do for health and beauty, they naturally wonder if any sort of turmeric will actually work. The truth is, the quality of turmeric can vary and some powder is less pure than others. So make sure you avoid store-bought spent turmeric, which is deprived of its active ingredient, and turmeric processed with pesticides and carcinogenic chemicals. After all, your skin is your largest organ. But if you haven't found a high-quality organic turmeric, we've got great news. We here at Coconut Country Living believe we have found the very best, yummy turmeric on the planet. Not only tested for purity and approved by the FDA, but also customer approved to do wonders for your body, we here at CCL know that it wouldn't be right to just give you a great turmeric without also helping you discover the hundreds of hidden uses this magic spice is good for. So we've decided to give away a very special gift when you stock up on your turmeric today, our best-selling Turmeric's Secret Benefits for Health and Beauty. This action-packed e-book is filled with turmeric hacks even the yogis aren't willing to tell. Learn these ancient secrets to feel and look great. And don't forget about turmeric's wide uses as a food. It isn't just great in a light latte, but so good in savory and sweet dishes too, from curries, to baked goods, to chocolate. I'm usually skeptical when someone tells me it's fresh. Even with seasoning. No, especially with seasoning. However, after getting turmeric from Coconut Country, I love it. But why? First, I'm a paleo cook. I like real, fresh ingredients. Plus I cook for the pleasure of eating and feeding my body well and my family and friends. Secondly, my biggest challenge is finding fresh ingredients. Coconut Country Living is the real deal. My food tastes great. There's no irradiation, no fillers, and curcuminoids. The best part, all dishes come out smelling and tasting fresh and earthy. Thanks so much Coconut Country Living, and I will return. This is a high-quality turmeric. Heals over 800 diseases, and if you take it on a regular basis, 1 teaspoon day, you can get rid of back pain, sciatica, body ache, arthritis, inflammation in the knee, kidney pain, helps for circulation, and removes anxiety. All that I had experienced myself. This is a magic spice, mentioned in the Bible as gold. Everybody should have some at home. Love this stuff. Awesome price for the quality and the amount. I'm using this not only for myself, to make golden milk, but adding it to my arthritic dog's food to help with pain management. I especially enjoyed the zip top seal. I have been using coconut country turmeric and cinnamon for inflammation control for over 2 years now. The product is high quality, and has truly helped me with my pain levels. Helps with my arthritis. I put it in my shakes every morning. Also helps me not get sick with a cold or flu. It tastes absolutely amazing. I'll definitely support this brand, as long as the quality remains this high. I'm a very active person, and turmeric is a great addition to my daily supplements to obtain faster recovery from my workouts, and this one has curcumin with it, which is an additional plus. Love the fact that it is organic and great quality. I emailed the company a few times with questions, and they were super helpful and responded extremely fast. It's always a great buy when you can find a good product at a good price, and when you get good customer service on top of that. Well, you can't go wrong. I highly recommend, if you're thinking about purchasing turmeric, that you buy this one. Now's the perfect time to pick up some freshly packed turmeric and start your journey toward incredible natural beauty and health. Click the link below to get started, or just go to bit.ly/spice4beauty for this special offer while supplies last, and we'll see you in coconut country.